you'll be by my side. I'll be by your side, you'll be by my side, baby, baby. I'll be by your side, you'll be by my side. I'll be by your side, you'll be by my side. What's up, y'all? It's Muva Gang back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about 25 YouTube idea topic for beginners. So if you want to stay tuned and see what I'm talking about, stay tuned, baby, and here we go. Okay, y'all, so today we're gonna be talking about 25 YouTube idea topics. Okay, I got my bug and I am only on my 20th video, but I can still make this video just to give y'all a little info on what I might do. Okay, so number one, how-to videos. How-to videos are like how to do your makeup, how to tie your shoes, I don't know, how to do nails, how to do hair, how to lay a lace front, how to put on a wig, stuff like that. Okay, number two, how to edit, like how to edit my videos, how to edit my thumbnail, how to edit my pictures, stuff like that. Number three, unboxing videos. People love unboxing videos. Unboxing your camera that you got for your YouTube channel, unboxing a gift you got for your daughter, stuff like that. Four, vlogs. Vlogs are just logs, video logs. That's why it's vlog. So you're going on a trip, your trip to California, your trip to the mall, vlogs. Number five, reaction videos. Reaction videos are just videos of you reacting to other videos. So people like to see your reaction to videos, just, I don't know, because sometimes it's funny, sometimes it makes you react the same way. I don't know. You see the similarities? I don't know. Number six, challenges. The whisper challenge. That's when you put the headphones on. Somebody's whispering, you're trying to figure out what they're saying. The ice challenge. The challenge where they put all that like stuff in their mouth. I don't know. Like the what is it called? Seven. Tags. Get to know me tags. So tag, yeah, just like that. A tag, just get to know me. About me or stuff like that. Number nine, makeup videos. Everybody always does makeup videos because people always want to know how to do their makeup, how to do an everyday look, a dramatic look, stuff like that. Channel intro. Sometimes people like to just put your channel intro to give a taste of what they're going to see on your channel, or just get a feel for how you are. Tips and tricks. So you can give people tips and tricks on how to do something, how to eliminate all the extra stuff, and just, you know, a tip and trick how to do it real simple, you know, tip and trick. Okay, try on hauls. Fashion Nova try on hauls. People love to do those because, you know, you want to see how stuff looks on people because you might be thinking about buying it. So yeah, get ready with me, chit chat and get ready. That's just you getting ready, and then you also videoing yourself while you're talking to everybody, like how I'm recording this video for you. Room tours. I don't really care for room tours, but a lot of people like to see room tours just to see like how is your room, what little cute little stuff that you have put up in your room, stuff like that. Fitness, workout, that's the next one. People love fitness workouts because they want to see how you get fit, how you get your nice bottom, how your, you know, how your stomach is snatched, all of that. Oh, review products. So I did a few of these on my channel, how I did like the review of Sand and Sky. You can review anything. Review a MacBook. Review a camera that somebody is thinking about buying and stuff like that. Story time. A lot of people love story times because they want to know more about you. They want to know funny stories. They want to know sad stories. They want to be nosy, basically. Sometimes, don't get me wrong. Some people just like stories. Okay. Everyday look makeup. That's another makeup video. But a lot of people like everyday looks. because they want to look like they have on makeup but don't have on makeup. Like, I don't have on makeup, but y'all knew that already. DIY clothes. Okay, do it yourself clothes. So, you know, sometimes people change a shirt into a skirt, or sometimes people change a long shirt into a bodysuit. I don't really know, but it's really neat to see, and you know, people want to do it. Game reviews. A lot of people do game reviews because for the gamers, this is really for the boys, because you know, you might buy Mortal Kombat or whoever. I'm not really a gamer, so don't be me up for game reviews. You get a lot of views on game reviews. The next one, game walkthrough. So I know if you've ever done like a sub for somebody, and then someone has a gaming channel and they're like recording a game that they're doing, they're walking you through the game to see how you could cheat, how you could beat this level if you're stuck, and you know, you're stuck. How to get a blank job. So how to get a bartending job, how to get a serving job, how to get a accounting job, how to get a real estate job. People want to know how to do these different things because they're trying to get this job for themselves. So that's a really good video too. Okay, the next one is shoe collection. Shoe collection. Okay. So a lot of people like to see different shoes, like if you're a sneakerhead, they want to see that. If you have a lot of heels, they want to see that. Or just designer, they want to see that. They want to be nosy, okay? But it's really cute because once you show them that, you're really kind of showing them a part of you, if that makes sense. Comedy skits. People love comedy skits because they are very funny. I'm not really funny. I wish I was funny, y'all, because if I was funny, I would be doing a lot of comedy skits, like, period. And the last one I have is pranks. That's going to be my number 25. People like to watch pranks because, like if you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, like, my boyfriend was texting this girl prank, or I won $1 million prank, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? People like to see that, and people are most likely going to watch your full video. That's the whole point. Whenever you're doing your 25, or if you're doing any of these 25 YouTube ideas, think of something that somebody is going to actually sit there and watch the duration of your video for, because that's what you want. You want to get all the views that you can, because that's what's going to help your watch time. You want to always stay true and not try to be a replica of somebody else's video, because then someone's going to be like, oh, I've seen this, and they're not going to want to see it. So those are my YouTube ideas that I recommend to you if you are a beginner, and they will be very likely to get you a lot of views. So I'm signing out, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you liked it. Thank y'all.